Welcome back to Money Made Simple. If you've ever tried to budget but gave up because it was confusing or just didn't stick, this video is for you. Today I'll show you how to create a simple, step-by-step budget that actually works, even if you're starting from scratch. Step 1. Know your total income. That means what you actually take home after taxes. Include your paycheck, side hustle income, and any other regular money coming in. Step 2. Track your expenses. Write down everything you spend for at least 1 month. Break it down into fixed expenses, variable expenses. You can use expenses the prior month to estimate your variable expenses. Step 3. Choose a budgeting method that works for you. The 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt. The 70-20-10 rule. Allocate 70% of your income to needs, 20% to savings and debt, and 10% to wants. A zero-based budget. This means every dollar gets a job, even if that job is savings. Income minus expenses should equal 0. Step 4. Adjust where needed. If your expenses are more than your income, start trimming. Can you reduce subscriptions, cut back on takeout, find cheaper options for bills? Prioritize your needs over your wants. Step 5. Review your budget every week. Budgeting isn't set it and forget it. You need to check in regularly and adjust based on real life. Some tips that may help. Build in a miscellaneous category for unexpected expenses. Automate bills and savings when you can. Keep it simple. Your budget should serve you, not stress you. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out the free templates linked in the description.